You. You. Yes, you. You can break my heart, tear my soul with abusive words, humiliate my being to the world, void my mind with your cruel, kind love. But like a feather, I shall rise. Molest my poor, powerless body, deceive my feelings for mankind, disfigure the crucial elements of my being, destroy my dignity and pride. But like a feather, I shall rise. Criticize my behavior and attitude, insult my honesty with your infidelity, misuse my innocence for your lustfulness, disregard my opinions and ideas. But like a feather, I shall rise. Disown me in front of your friends, dishearten me for a better future, disgust me of my creative abilities, disorientate me with your unsought treatment. But like a feather, I shall rise. Discredit me with your endless criticism, mislead people to think of me as being contagious, misplace my position as a human being, mistrust me because of your deeds. But like a feather, I shall rise. I am not you. Yet you will not give me a chance. You will not let me be me. You meddle and interfere in my affairs as if they were yours and you were me. You're unfair, unwise, foolish to think that I could be you, talk, act, and think like you. God made me me. He made you you. So let me be me, and like a feather, I shall rise.